what I'm learning is to upgrade my skills.
I wasn't always doing the best in life, and luckily COD helped me.
In this program, we're learning how to build. We're also learning how to use basic hand tools. And in the back, we're actually learning how to wire a house, outlets, panel boxes, just simple necessities. And after this, we're probably going to start drywalling to also get us into that. So we're learning a little bit of every trade.
Next class, we're going to start welding pipes. That really ties into the real world.
So this program is designed to encompass anything from entry level to someone who already has some sort of experience in the welding industry. And it's based around the soft skills and hard skills that come with the industry.
We developed a BESP, Building Energy System Professional. That program deals with architecture, the building construction industry, energy, solar, air conditioning.
I end up picking HVAC because what's better to pick in the desert?
I really fell in love with the whole schematics of the actual unit and learning how to wire it and how everything works.
It's a whole new world out there. It's endless opportunities.